Hi, Adam here with Hennepin Marine, standing in front of the Excel 1860 Pro Hull. This is kind of the baddest duck boat series of the whole Excel line. This is pretty much your fully functional duck boat with rugged in mind. It's gonna be pretty much built like a tank. It's 125 thousandths aluminum with the 5086 aluminum grade. So this boat is absolutely built like a tank. This is the boat design that you are going to want if you're going to run some really shallow, skinny water. Primary use is going to be really shallow water for this boat. It's very flat on the bottom. There's no keel, and you have a large water relief channel underneath there that allows water to get underneath to keep it separated from the mud. So this is the premium boat in the Excel line for super shallow water. Currently we do not have an engine on it, but we have it paired with a Mud Buddy 50 HDR. It's shown in the Optifade marsh color. Comes with 2 Tempur seats and poles. We've got 3 seat bases down the center of the deck there. Up front, we have an 11-gallon fuel tank, which is nice. Fuel fills over here. Got the handrails up on the front, so if you're pulling it, you get stuck in the mud, need to pull this guy out, you've got something to hang on to that comes in handy. Comes with the handrail or grab bar for running the Mud Buddy. And as you can see, this boat is pretty much full width, full length up to the deck. So you get maximum decoy storage with this boat. So if you're running 2 or 3 guys and dogs and guns and a bunch of decoys, you get maximum storage in this boat. So good wide beam with a lot of room inside of the hull. To maximize that space, you have this removable seat pod. A lot of these guys either sit on the back deck and omit this, or you can actually sit on this and run the motor. So most of the guys that I've sold these boats to kind of omit this. They're looking for maximum space, reduce the weight, and they kind of sit back here on the back pod. So this boat's sitting on top of a Diamond City aluminum trailer. Got custom aluminum wheels, spare tire, LED lights. This boat's ready to go. It's ready to hit the water. Keep in mind with these duck boats, and I mentioned it before, the availability is pretty slim. So some of our most recent orders we placed just before Christmas. Those group of boats aren't going to arrive until June. So if you have any thought about upgrading or repowering or getting into that new duck boat for the 2022-23 duck season, goose season, I would encourage you to think about doing it very soon. The timeline and the lead times on these boats is getting pretty extraordinary. So if we can help in any way, reach out to 815-925-7216. We'd be glad to help you. I'm a duck hunter myself, so I love talking about these things. So just reach out to us. We'll be glad to help. Thank you.